Hello, today I will show you how to change your graphics settings in Dungeonborne. First, you'll need to go into the settings. Do so by pressing the escape button or clicking the menu button in the top left corner. Here, in the main menu, go into the settings. You will be automatically put into the video settings. Scroll down and go to your graphical settings. Right now, you can choose between few differing presets, or you can customize it further to your own heart's content. You can change your free resolution, your global illumination, your shadow settings, your anti-aliasing, your view distance, texture quality, effects quality, reflections, post-processing, super sampling mode, sharpness, and even advanced models and shadow rendering. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.